Hi students, how are you? I am fine. I hope your study is going to very well and good. Okay, you keep inside the house safe from coronavirus. Okay, study well, eat well, play well. Okay, let's come our lesson. Previous class we discussed about more things about chromosomes, genes, heredity, and the theory of chromosomes. Now we going to see about mutagenic agent. Last class we learn about mutation also. What is mean by mutation? A sudden change is called mutation. Okay, let's see in detail. Mutation is caused by some factors. These factors is called as mutation agents. The factors which cause genetic mutation are called mutagenic agent or mutagen. These mutagens divided into two types based on their characteristics. One is physical mutation and another one is chemical mutation. Through this name we can understand mutation caused by through the physical, that is a physical mutation. Mutation caused by through the chemical, that is called chemical mutation. Okay, now we're going to see about physical mutagens. Muller was the first to find out physical mutagens in Drosophila in 1927. Scientists are using temperature and radiation such as X-rays, gamma rays, alpha rays, beta rays, neutron, cosmic rays, radioactive isotopes, ultraviolet rays as a physical mutagens to produce mutagen in various plants and animals. Yes, physical mutation is a mutagens agent which is the form of physical substance. For the example, X-rays, gamma rays, alpha rays, beta rays, like that. Okay, can you understand it? Increase in temperature increase the rate of mutation. In like manner, increase in radiation increase the rate of mutation. M.S. Swaminathan is the father of Indian Green Revolution. Normal wheat converted into Sarbati sonora through the irradiation of gamma rays. In like manner, normal castor converted into castor aruna through the treatment of seeds with thermal neutrons. Mutation is done by chemical substance that is called chemical mutagens. Chemical which induce mutation are called chemical mutation. These are the some chemical mutagens agent: mustard gas, nitrous acid, manganese salt, atrazine, eosine, MMS, EMS. Co-mutant. The compound which are not having own mutagenic but can enhance the effect known mutagens are called co-mutagens. In like manner, some students not study well, but he or she study well through the true friends. Like manner this is. These are some examples of co-mutagens. Caffeine increase the toxicity of methotrexate. Ascorbic acid increase the damage caused by hydrogen peroxides. Now we are going to see about chromosomal mutation. Chromosomal mutation is nothing but mutation take place by chromosome level, that is called as chromosomal mutation. The genome can also be modified on a large scale by altering the chromosome structure or by changing the number of chromosomes in cell. In this paragraph, chromosome structure and changing the number of chromosome is a very important point and key point. Why? Because the chromosome change in structural level, that is one kinds of the mutation. Another one is changing the number of chromosome in mutation is another way. Ploidy is one type of mutation. Change in chromosome number is called as ploidy. Now we are going to see about types of ploidy. Ploidy is nothing but, already I said, changes in chromosome number is called ploidy. Ploidy also divided two kinds. One is aneuploidy and another one is euploidy. Aneuploidy means ploidy involving individual chromosome within a diploid set, that is called as aneuploidy. In like manner, ploidy involves entire set of chromosomes, that is called as euploidy. Now aneuploidy again divided two kinds, that is hypoploidy and hyperploidy. Hyperploidy also divided five kinds. One is trisomy, another one is double trisomy, then tetrasomy, double tetrasomy, pentasomy. Trisomy, tetrasomy, pentasomy, we know very well the number. So here see, trisomy 2n plus 1, then double trisomy 2n chromosome added even the two chromosomes, that is a double trisomy. Then tetrasomy 2n plus 2. Here double trisomy 2n plus 2 and again 1 2, that is a double tetrasomy. Then pentasomy 2n plus 3, so pentasomy. Then hypoploidy. Hypoploidy is also divided four kinds. One is monosomy, double monosomy, nullosomy, double nullosomy. So already we know hypoploidy is a in decreases. So 2n minus 1 is a monosomy. Double monosomy means 2n minus 1 and again 1 minus 1. Then nullosomy is 2n minus 2. Then again double nullosomy 2n minus 2 and again 2 minus 2. Then euploidy also divided three kinds: haploidy, diploidy and polyploidy. Haploidy is a one single n chromosome. Diploidy is a 2n chromosome. Polyploidy is a 2n plus n and etc. And again haploidy also divided monoploidy, single ploidy, it means by single ploidy. Then again autopolyploidy and allopolyploidy is based on polyploidy. Then autopolyploidy again divided autodiploidy, autotetraploidy. So based on this name, it's a definition also that. Okay. Structural chromosomal aberration. Structural change in chromosome, it's called as structural chromosomal aberration. It also similar to numerical chromosomal aberration. Ploidy also called as numerical chromosomal aberration. Can you understand this? These are the types of the structural chromosomal aberration. Structural chromosomal aberration also divided into two types. One is change in number of gene loci and another one is change in the arrangement of gene loci. These two kinds of aberration, one point is very important and key point. In first point, number, then second point, arrangement. So according to the number, it's a divided two kinds. First one is deletion or deficiency. Then second one is duplication or repeat. These are the based on number. Then second kind, in second kind, inversion and translocation. And also translocation also divided three kinds. First one is simple translocation. Second one shift translocation. Third one reciprocal translocation. According to their name, we can understand simple translocation means very simply it will done. Then second one shift. Whole set of the chromosome will be changed. That is a shift. Third one is reciprocal translocation. These are the abbreviation of the order. From first slide to now, we discuss more things. Now I recollected that. First one, mutation, then mutagenic agents. Mutagenic agents is nothing but the factors which cause genetic mutation are called mutagenic agents or mutagens. Then second, polyploidy. Polyploidy is a chromosomal mutation in number of chromosomes. They are also very different kinds of polyploidy. Then after we learn the structural chromosomal aberration. The structural chromosomal aberration also divided two kinds. One is change in the number of gene loci. Then another one is change in the arrangement of gene loci. So then the translocation also divided three kinds. One is simple translocation, shift translocation. Third one is reciprocal translocation. Okay, study well. Can you understand this point? Okay, now is the homework time. Study and write the type of polyploidy. Figure 3.10. That diagram you should be study and write. Then draw the diagram of types of aneuploidy. This is your homework. Okay, thank you students.